In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Salesforce and how to use it. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform, or CRM. Think of it as your company's central hub for tracking sales, marketing, customer service, and analytics, so all your customer information and interactions stay organized, searchable, and actionable. Start by logging into your Salesforce account to land on your homepage. From here, let's create a new contact. Open the Contacts area, which is one of the most commonly used parts of Salesforce. Click New to add a contact. In the contact form, choose a salutation. In this example, we'll pick Mr. Then enter the first name and the last name. Link the contact to an existing customer by selecting the account name. This ties the person to their company, which is important for reporting and future sales activities. Add a phone number and an email address. Be sure you have permission to store this information and always use accurate business details. When everything looks good, click Save to create the contact. Next, let's add an account, which represents a company or organization. Go to Accounts. Click New to start a new record. You'll be asked to choose a record type. Select Business Customer in this example, then click Next. Enter the account name, add a main phone number, and include the number of employees. You can also record annual revenue to help with segmentation and forecasting. Use clean, consistent formatting so your reports stay reliable. When you're done, click Save. Now navigate to the Sales app to work with leads. Click Leads. A lead is an unqualified prospect, someone or a company that may be interested but hasn't been verified yet. Click New Lead to create one. Set the lead status to New. Choose a salutation like Ms. in this example, then enter the first name and last name. Type the company name the lead is associated with, and add a phone number and email address so your team can follow up. Double-check required fields, typically marked with a red asterisk, to avoid save errors. When finished, click Save. To recap, Salesforce helps you centralize customer data and daily sales activities. You've seen how to create a contact and link it to an account, how to add a new company record with key business details, and how to capture a lead so your pipeline stays full and organized. Keep your data accurate and standardized, and Salesforce will give you clear dashboards, better collaboration, and faster follow-ups. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.